No surprises, Audrey, and a welcomed one with that 25 basis point cut. Yes, there were debates about whether the MPC could go as far as 50 basis points at this time around, as it marks their last meeting for this year. But 25 basis points rather will do, which translates into 2.5%. I'm joined now by Ooba Home Loans Justin Easthorpe to discuss this further. Thank you so much for your time, Justin. A welcomed relief. What's your initial reaction?
Absolutely. I think the governor once again advised that he's taking a cautious approach. 25 basis points is certainly better than nothing. We were hoping for the 50 basis points, but good news all around.
What does a second consecutive 25 basis point cut mean, particularly for mortgage holders? Yes, we didn't get 50 basis points, but two consecutive cuts of 25 basis points then equals that 50 basis points that we were calling for.
Absolutely. So if you look at it, we've now reduced it to around about 344 Rand per million. So that equates to about 28,000 Rand over the term of the bond over 20 years. So it gives a little bit of reprieve to the existing home buyers or home owners, and also perhaps freeing up a little bit more cash flow for the potential new buyers coming into the market.
Absolutely. And what I found interesting in the governor's speech earlier is that a forecast is positive. So come 2025, South Africans can anticipate further easing of monetary policy. How much of that is going to bode well for the property sector?
Oh, amazingly. And I think what that's going to assist with as well is the first-time home buyers that we really need to stimulate the market through. So further rate reductions coming in the new year, whilst once again Governor saying that he will do it from a meeting-to-meeting basis. All things looking positive. The meeting was relatively positive, and things are looking up. So home buyers are now able to get back into that property market and be able to afford those dream homes that they've always wanted.
From Ooba's standpoint, is it now at least a better time to buy, as you referenced, new homeowners coming into the market?
So new homeowners will always stimulate the property market, and with this reduction as well as hopefully seeing reduction in living costs or a plateauing of living costs, allowing that first-time home buyer to come into the market to allow more pent-up demand and the economics of supply and demand, and those first-time home buyers taking up that demand.
As a parting shot, do we expect an even better climate? We've seen the likes of inflation going down, interest rates are starting to ease, but overall, particularly with a new dispensation in government, is the optimism meant to stay in terms of sentiment?
100%, and I think the governor alluded to that again in his speech. So I think 2025 is going to be a good year for us, so good luck to all.
Thank you so much for your time. That is Justin Easthorpe from Ooba Home Loans in reaction to that second consecutive interest rate cut by 25 basis points.